Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to fix Binance verification failed very easily in 2024. So yeah guys, without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so first of all you have to install the Binance application on your iPhone or Android device if you haven't already. Alright guys, so once you have done that from App Store or iOS Store or Play Store, Google Play Store, just search for Binance here and then just install the application. So once you have done that, just open up the Binance application and log in into your account if you haven't already, and then you should be redirected to this page. So then just click on the microphone icon in the top right corner of the screen like this, and now just scroll down until you see, actually just click on view all and scroll down until you see failed verification appeal, and here just follow the prompts they give you. So yeah guys, this is how you fix Binance verification failed. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.